I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import your W-2 to TurboTax. First, make sure you have your W-2 form handy. You'll also need to be logged into your TurboTax account. We'll cover the different ways to get your W-2 information into the software, making tax filing simpler and more accurate. Let's get started with the initial setup. You have a few options for importing your W-2. Many employers partner with TurboTax, allowing for a direct import. If that's not an option, you can often import by simply entering your employer's 9-digit employer identification number, or EIN. If neither of these works, don't worry. You can always manually enter the information from your physical W-2 form. Once you're in TurboTax, head to the Wages and Income section. Look for the W-2 option and select how you'd like to import. Follow the on-screen prompts, whether you're importing directly or entering your EIN. After the import, it's crucial to compare the imported data with your actual W-2 form to ensure everything matches perfectly. The final step is to carefully review all the imported W-2 information. Take your time to double-check every box and amount against your physical W-2 form. If you find any differences, make the necessary corrections within TurboTax. Once you're confident everything is accurate, save your progress and proceed with completing the rest of your tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.